I I just noticed that you're cutting on this metal surface. What is it good for?
So this right here is what we call a honeycomb table concept, which is normally used for foil. But I can show you. Okay, so right here you can see there's the honeycomb, which I did just cut on. As I told you, this is normally used for thin foil, but you can as well cut wood on it, thin wood. When you cut wood on it, the laser will reflect onto the material again from the surface. So therefore, we would use a template, as you can see here. This is what it would look like, just to prevent damaging the material from the backside.
Okay, nice. And this one is black with holes in it. For which material do you use this one?
So this right here, the black plate, this is what we would call a raster plate. This is normally used for acrylic, with an acrylic grid on top of it. There's those small holes in there to have a channeled vacuum to get the acrylic fumes away because they're lightly flammable. And this one right here is what we would call a thin concept, which is normally used for thicker material or material that needs much energy, so the wave is long enough to get the energy load on the table at the bottom of the system.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
No problem.